Which got the headlight on, causing glare.
Massive glare, sorry.
Because it's reflecting off of this and whitening out the diagram. So Wick's pulled the sender lead, which makes life easy for us.
Indeed.
And then we got to put the mat on top. Put the mat.
So it looks like it comes over. I bet you it's this way. This is the way it goes, right like that.
Look at that. Wick's making art.
That's the way it goes.
You know some of that aluminum tape?
Yeah. Let's do it.
Alright, I'll go get it. Alright. Wick's got the mat on. We routed our wire for the sender. There's our lines. There's our vent. We'll deal with the vent up here after everything's up. Getting ready to put this baby in. We have the, I guess I'm going to ask, do we have the rubbers for the straps?
Yes.
Bitchin'.
Over there in a bag.
All right, here's our straps. You have 2 sets of straps, Wick.
Yeah, one's stainless, one's not. We want the stainless one.
Oh yeah, we're gonna go for the good stuff. It's because we fancy.
Yeah, that stuff actually was real stainless.
Unlike the
partial stainless brake line, or emergency brake lines we got.
yeah, I think we got kind of effed on the e-brake.
I don't think these.
That's our pads.
Pads.
Oh, those are sticky.
At least in the bag they are. I think that came with the original kit because I don't think we need that.
I don't think that's the right hardware.
No.
Or is it? We have the right hardware.
We had the right hardware already.
Yeah, that's the.
This was the gas tank stuff.
Oh yeah, that was
I don't know
fun.
why they give you a carriage bolt. That doesn't make much sense.
So the Bonneville was fucking a piece of all thread with a nut on either side.
Clever.
Yeah, high class.
Clever, smart, high class.
That's Michigan hillbilly.
Yeah.
That's where that car came from.
There we go.
That looks like Laffy Taffy or Fruit by the Foot.
Yeah.
You ever eat? No, I'm good. That'd be like black licorice. That's a no bueno.
It kind of feels about like that, actually. All right, well, we won't need those till we go put the straps in.
Gotcha.
Right?
Yeah, we're gonna bench press and do our lines, or should we set our straps in there?
We should set the straps in there. I think that worked pretty well last time because this guy has to go up over that.
Yeah, it's a pain in the ass.
Yeah. Once the tank's in there, we'll never be able to do that.
We're gonna actually put the screws in it, Wick, that nobody else has before.
Yeah. It's kind of bizarre, isn't it? Do we?
Yeah. We're gonna do it right.
Because we're gonna probably want them as.
I'll go hunting right now. I think I remember. Just like that, Wick and I got the tank up and in. We put a little strip caulk on the straps to hold the rubber, and then we put a little soap on the other side of the rubber so that it wouldn't stick so bad. So we got that up. Tank is in. We gotta put these screws in next to secure it, which isn't gonna be too bad. We also gotta go putting on a light. We gotta do our vent here with our bracket and our ground. And we have our fuel lines all done. Beautiful. This car's way nicer than it came from the factory. But that's...
Yeah, we got a couple good improvements going on here.
Yes. All right. Vent goes right about there.
Yeah.
Ground goes right there.
Yeah, it seems pretty good.
It goes right in that dimple almost, huh? Wasn't that where we thought it went? You have the Chingadera?
It's right here.
I could get to these lines if I needed to.
Well, it's interesting. we got 2 holes. We got a tab hole and a attachment hole.
Oh, a little retainer. Oh, needs to come over. Then I bet you that spot weld is the tab hole.
Yeah.
Because look where this is.
It's about right
in
there.
relation. Yeah.
Is that about where you want it? You want to mark it?
I think we're good. Yeah. We got a little. Where's the marker? Oh, it's in my pocket. God damn it. All right, we've marked our locations. Looking good. We'll put our tab and our ground and our vent, and we are done with the fuel system at the back side of the car. Bolts, factory bolts, are in on the rear of the straps where they're supposed to be, which there never was any before. Tank's in, it's on secure. Wick has gotten the ground and the vent and its bracket in place, looking good and correct. Of course, our AN lines look stellar. Look at that. Fuel, check. Looks way good. And now Wick is working on the filler neck vent. I'm gonna pull the Jimmy hat off of it.
Yeah, you don't need Jimmy anymore.
Yeah, we're going raw now.
How about Jimmy? Is it a good cap for keeping?
Yeah, it's got like a square end on it and everything. We're definitely gonna keep it.
Nice.
Look at this TIG welding.
Pile of shit we got.
Look at the TIG welding on the vent. It's nice, man. I mean, look at all the welding. It's stellar.
Top-notch welding.
Good stuff. So, Wick's working on that. Get that up and in and done. And then we have nothing else to do on the fuel system on the back side of the car.